Dear well-wishers, our little birds, brave and valiant, are ready to leave their nests now. We are delighted to have come across this energetic batch full of vigor and energy. Our students have come together to show you their journey at Spring Mount.
The story of Spring Mount School administration is the story of unwavering willpower, grit, and vision of a woman who took the road less travelled from the Silk Route of textiles to the empowering force of education. Dr. Nalini Prabhushankar, a management trustee, is a leader who inspired us and even changed the trajectories of our lives. She is a storybook princess who has magic in her eyes, a guardian angel in times of need, a bestie in playground, guide in academics, and mentor for a lifetime. I feel extremely honored to call myself a part of this prestigious institution.
Spring Mount Public School has taught me that wisdom is the greatest pursuit. Our skills and passion are transformable. I owe a lot to Spring Mount for who I am today, to the introspective, critical and philosophical thinking. Spring Mount is a great institution that can fuel the potential of the students through its commitment to excellence.
Spring Mount Public School has a clean and green study environment which positively influenced the student psychology, like improved cognitive functioning, increased concentration, greater attention capabilities, reduced stress level, increased social interaction and higher academic performance.
Spring Mount Public School is a lush green jungle that transcends the standardized geometry of construction with adherence to green building practices. Spring Mount is engineered with solar power to meet 50% of its power requirements and have a pool of rainwater harvest which covers 70% of the school's water needs.
My experience of swimming in the Spring Mount pool is close to the joy of a bird's field to fly. The tranquil water in a swimming pool is like a molten mirror. Above the pool lies the sky, blue and clear. The freedom to swim is intoxicating, serene and soul-soothing.
Our school canteen is a land of taste buds. The dining room is exquisite. The walls are covered with prints on food hygiene. The flavors of food served are of fresh, sun-ripened food, prepared by loving hand and received by an open heart. The sort one could eat every day as if they were the most divine food ever conjured. Our canteen goes well with the saying, cooking is love made visible.
Educational tours have helped me to identify emerging trends, improve human experience, talk with industry experts and step out of my comfort zone.
The most peculiar moment that should be discussed when it comes to Spring Mount Public School is the timing for the senior grade students.
Our school timings are 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thus, Spring Mount is helping us live with the old saying, early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. To further kickstart our minds, our dear teachers give us laughter therapy and Japanese clapping sessions every morning.
There are several events and celebrations happening in Spring Mount throughout the year. The most notable are the annual day celebrations. It is usually held in the first half of the academic year. A theme is chosen every year, and that is what gives out the beautiful vibes. The school believes in incorporating life skills to students, and hence every now and then we, the super senior grades, organize cooking contests, talent shows and many more enthusiastic fests.
The sports day in Spring Mount is unlike any other school. Just spectating the sports pumps adrenaline in us. The Spring Mount family consists of not only students but also the parents. We witnessed a strong bonding with our fellow students, especially during the relay event. The march past on the sports day marked the importance of our Indian ancestral warriors. The fire and torch lighted our hearts.
Our energy levels and creativities are never slowed down inside the campus.
The Spring Mount family has impacted us a lot. We look forward to attending all future alumni meets, and we are happily announcing now that we are ready to take on life.